by the way, a separation is where you're taking the center of revolution, which is normally stacked, and you're separating the two centers of rotation out. So instead of the two of them stacking here, you have a separated corkscrew where they're here and here. Another example of a separation might be when you're doing something like a weave and you do, okay, yes, if I do an extension all the way around with one hand, I'm separating where the center of rotation is with my left hand, which is nice and tight, versus my right hand, which is doing an extension all the way through. So back in the old days, and when I say old days, I mean around the turn of the millennium, when we didn't have a very large repertoire of moves, we played with different things to make the same stuff look more interesting. So even like, this is not an ideal indoor move because of the extension, but I still want to give you the concept of the separation. Just even this, right? That's together time pinwheel, same thing, but I'm doing one extension or alternating the extensions. Another version of a separation where you're changing where the center of the rotation is for each of the poi relative to the other, and instead of stacking them, having them in two separate places.